Your blood cells have antigens on them. Antigens are markers on the blood cell your immune system recognizes. Your immune system recognizes antigens using antibodies. Blood type A has the antigens for A. Blood type B has the antigens for B. Blood type AB have the antigens for both A and B. And blood type O has no antigens on it. Rh positive blood have Rh antigens, and Rh negative blood lack Rh antigens. When you mix blood type A with a dish containing blood type A antibodies, they will react and the blood will clump together. If you mix blood type A with a dish containing blood type B antibodies, they will not react, meaning they will not clump together because the B antibody won't recognize the A antigen in the type A blood. Blood type B and AB work similarly. Blood type O has no antigens in it. When you mix blood type O with a dish containing blood type A antibodies, they will not react. The blood will not clump together. Blood type O will not react with type B antibodies either. The Rh factor is another antigen that is either present or not present on your blood cells. The presence of Rh factor we deem positive, and the lack of Rh factor we deem negative. If you mix Rh positive blood with antibodies for Rh, they will react and the blood will clump together. If you mix Rh negative blood with antibodies for Rh, they will not react. The blood will not clump together because the antigens are not present. If you test a sample of AB positive blood with antibodies for A, antibodies for B, and antibodies for Rh, the blood will react with antibody A and clump together because the type A antigen is present. The blood will react with antibody B and clump together because the type B antigen is present. And the blood will also react with Rh and clump together because the Rh antigens are present in the blood. Here is an unknown blood sample. It does not clump when added to antibody A. It clumps when added to antibody B. And it does not clump when it is added to antibody for Rh. What type of blood does this person have? Pause now to answer on your own. This blood sample does not have the A antigen. It does have the B antigen, and it does not have the Rh antigen. This is B negative blood. Let's try another unknown blood sample. This blood sample does not clump when added to antibody A. It does not clump when added to antibody B, and it does clump when it is added to the antibody for Rh. What type of blood does this person have? Pause now to answer on your own. The blood sample does not have the A antigen. It does not have the B antigen, and it does have the Rh antigen. This is blood type O positive. Try drawing your own blood typing trays for blood types AB negative, A positive, and O negative. Your immune system will attack blood that has foreign antigens in it. Blood type A has the antigens for A. Blood type B has the antigens for B. Blood type AB have the antigens for both A and B. And blood type O has no antigens in it. Rh positive blood have Rh antigens, and Rh negative blood lack Rh antigens. If you have the blood type A positive, you have the antigens for type A blood and for Rh blood. You can accept blood that has either of these antigens or lacks either of these antigens. You just can't accept antigens that are not present. So you can accept blood that is A positive, A negative, O positive, or O negative. If you have the blood type AB negative, you have the antigens for type A blood, type B blood, and you lack the antigen for Rh blood. You can accept blood that has the A antigen, the B antigen, but you cannot accept blood that has the Rh antigen because that is foreign to your body. So you can accept blood that is A negative, B negative, AB negative, or O negative. If you have blood type B negative, you have the antigens for type B blood, and you lack the antigens for A blood or Rh blood. You can accept blood that has the B antigen, but your body will attack any blood that has the A antigen or the Rh antigen. You can accept blood that is B negative or O negative. If you have a blood type O positive, you have the antigen for Rh blood, but you do not have the antigens for A blood or B blood. Your body will attack any blood that has the antigens A or B on it. So you can only accept blood that is O positive or O negative. Try filling out this table using these same principles by pressing pause now. Your filled out table should look like this. AB positive blood is known as the universal acceptor because they can accept several different types of blood. Type O negative blood is known as the universal donor because they can be accepted by many blood types.